and welcome here in the workshop. I'm glad to see you. In today's episode we are forging tongs. Roll the intro. So the problem that I have with these tongs, in my next project I'm using this 6mm round bar, and now you need to keep watching till the end to find out what we are making with it. But when I'm holding the round bar and smashing it with my hammer, it could fly around here in the workshop, it even could fly to you, and that's not safe of course, and also for my safety. Yeah, that's why we are making a new set of tongs. So let's light our forge. these tongs will definitely do the job in our next project. But first, yeah, come a little bit closer so you can take a look at them. They are really fancy, aren't they? So in our next project we will use these tongs to make an S-hook. And if you want to find out why I am making an S-hook, yeah, then you need to keep watching till the next episode. And if you like DIY metalwork, woodworking and some home renovations and maybe a lot of other things, then subscribe to the channel. And that's it for this video. I will say see you in the next. Peace.